Discover the incredible powers of cayenne pepper. Can this fiery spice really work wonders in fighting off diseases for good? Watch this video for 15 amazing health benefits of adding cayenne pepper to your daily routine, and learn how it can naturally nurture your health. Are you looking for a superfood to boost your health? This fiery superfood offers more than just flavor. It possesses many medicinal properties that have the power to alleviate many diseases. This incredible spice offers health benefits that will leave you feeling fantastic. Want to learn more? Will cayenne pepper reduce your blood pressure? Can it increase your sex drive? What about cayenne benefits for your heart? Also, watch this video for some simple recipes for including cayenne pepper in your diet every day. Trust us, your body will thank you. According to published research, cayenne pepper is loaded with vitamins A, C, and E, along with essential minerals like potassium and manganese, making it a powerhouse of nutrition. And let's not forget about capsaicin, the active compound that gives cayenne pepper both its health benefits and its fiery kick. First, cayenne pepper may help boost your metabolism. Try adding a pinch to your morning smoothie or sprinkling it over your eggs to kickstart your metabolism for the day. Did you know that the capsaicin in cayenne pepper can actually rev up your metabolism? It's pretty cool. This spicy compound heats up your body through a process called thermogenesis, which helps you burn more calories. How does it do this, you may ask? Well, it breaks down blood sugar and fat molecules, generating heat to maintain your body temperature. It's like giving your metabolism a little boost. Next, cayenne pepper can aid in digestion. It helps your stomach digest food better. Just add a dash to your soups, stews, or salad dressings to help heal your gut and speed up digestion. Listen. Many people think that spicy foods cause heartburn or stomach issues. But cayenne pepper is different. It's gentle on your gut and can reduce inflammation in your digestive tract. According to experts, people with digestion problems should consume cayenne peppers to increase the good bacteria in their gut. Cayenne pepper aids digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes. These enzymes help break down food more efficiently, easing symptoms of indigestion and promoting a healthier gut. Are you experiencing persistent pain? Can cayenne pepper help manage your pain? Studies have shown that cayenne peppers can help alleviate pain by reducing pain signals in the body. The answer is yes, it can ease pain. One way to use cayenne pepper for pain relief is to mix it with coconut oil and apply the mixture to sore muscles. This will provide pain relief without the nasty side effects of drugs. Cayenne pepper is a natural pain reliever and can alleviate pain and discomfort caused by some painful diseases. Capsaicin is commonly used to treat pain, especially headaches. Capsaicin can reduce pain by blocking the transmission of pain signals to the brain, offering relief from headaches, muscle aches, and joint pain. Cayenne pepper's anti-inflammatory properties make it a powerful ally against disease caused by chronic inflammation. It is your natural powerhouse for inflammation relief. By adding this vibrant spice to your daily meals, you could transform your approach to managing inflammatory diseases like arthritis. Embrace the heat and watch how it can be a game-changer to disease-free health. Number 5. When you eat cayenne pepper, you are helping to benefit your heart health. To improve blood flow, you can make a warm drink by mixing a pinch of cayenne pepper, hot water, lemon, and honey. This drink can help lower cholesterol and prevent your risk of heart disease. Cayenne pepper supports cardiovascular health by improving blood circulation and reducing cholesterol levels. These benefits can help lower the risk of heart disease, making cayenne pepper a valuable contributor to a healthy heart. Are you struggling with managing your weight? You are always on the lookout for natural remedies that actually work. Well, guess what? The answer you have been looking for might already be in your kitchen. Let's talk about cayenne pepper weight loss benefits. Cayenne pepper can help with weight management by increasing metabolism and promoting fat burning. Its active compound, capsaicin, can boost energy expenditure and reduce appetite, which can help maintain a healthy weight. 7. Detoxifies the body. Cayenne pepper can make you sweat, which helps your body get rid of toxins. You can add it to a detox drink with lemon, ginger, and honey. Studies suggest that cayenne pepper may boost detoxification, improve circulation, and help your body flush out toxins by enhancing lymphatic flow, hence cayenne pepper benefits your heart. Experience the natural heating effect of this spice that encourages sweating, aiding in the detox process and leaving you feeling refreshed and revitalized. 8. Cayenne pepper can boost your immune system. It is rich in vitamins, particularly vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin K, and beta-carotene. These antioxidants help protect cells from damage, keeping your immune defenses robust and ready to fight infections. For skin health, cayenne pepper improves circulation, which can lead to a healthier, more radiant complexion. Its anti-inflammatory properties also help reduce redness and irritation, making it a beneficial addition to your skincare routine. To make a face mask with cayenne pepper and honey, you will need 1/2 ripe avocado, 1 tablespoon honey, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper. Combine all the ingredients in a bowl and apply to a clean face for 10 to 20 minutes to benefit your skin. Number 9. Relief from nasal congestions. Some evidence suggests that spicy peppers are suitable for a stuffy nose and to clear nasal passages. Try to inhale steam from boiling water with cayenne pepper to relieve sinus and nasal congestion. Cayenne pepper is a natural decongestant that benefits respiratory health. Cayenne pepper could help clear mucus from your respiratory tract, easing common symptoms of colds and allergies. Its warming properties can soothe throat discomfort, boosting overall health. For a simple DIY remedy, you can mix cayenne pepper with honey and lemon to help cure sore throat and ease a cold. Number 10. Cayenne pepper can help prevent cancer. Did you know that this simple spice could play a role in the fight against cancer? Cayenne pepper, with its fiery kick, might be more than just a flavor booster. Research reveals that its active compound, capsaicin, may have powerful anti-cancer properties, helping you fight against cancer. Imagine adding a dash of cayenne pepper to your meals not just for its heat, but as a potential ally in reducing your cancer risk. It's a small change that could make a big difference to your health. Number 11. Regulates blood sugar levels. Adding cayenne pepper to food might benefit people with diabetes because it can help to keep their blood sugar levels steady. You can add it to your meals to help manage your blood sugar. Another benefit of cayenne pepper is that it helps regulate blood sugar. Studies suggest that the capsaicin in cayenne may improve insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to manage glucose. Capsaicin has been found to boost insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar levels. This is great news for those dealing with diabetes or pre-diabetes. 12. Cayenne pepper gives you energy. Eating cayenne pepper can give your body more energy. Go on. Give your body a fiery energy boost with cayenne pepper. This will leave you feeling just as energized as a cup of coffee does, minus that unpleasantly manic caffeine buzz and inevitable post-coffee crash. Add cayenne pepper to your salads or juice. This spicy pepper can help lower your blood pressure by improving blood flow, reducing pressure on artery walls. To create a homemade remedy for hypertension, mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of cayenne pepper in warm water with honey and aloe vera and drink every day to help maintain a healthy blood pressure. Number 14. Cayenne pepper has some sexual health benefits. Incorporating cayenne pepper into your diet is a simple way to enhance your sex life. Spicing up your daily diet with a dash of cayenne pepper might just turn up the heat in the bedroom. Start with small amounts and gradually increase as you become accustomed to the heat. Number 15. Consuming cayenne pepper could potentially enhance sexual satisfaction by promoting improved blood flow to the virginal area, potentially reducing pain during intercourse, and boosting natural lubrication. Cayenne pepper's spicy kick can trigger the release of endorphins, which are the feel-good hormones that can benefit your sex life. These powerful hormones can really amp up the pleasure and make the sexual experience even more intense for both partners. However, it's worth noting that scientific evidence supporting these claims is limited, so more research is needed to confirm this spice's potential benefits for your sex life. Thank you for watching. Take care.